America, we got a problem, and it's hiding in plain sight, in our courtrooms, in our mailboxes, and on our credit report. Hi, my name is Stephen A. Williams. I'm the president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com, and I'm the creator of summonsmaster.com. Today I'm exposing something that's quietly destroying lives and clogging our courts: fraud, waste, and abuse by debt collectors. Every day, people just like you get sued using fraudulent and unauthenticated documents. Debt collectors can't often prove they legally own the debt. They show up with spreadsheets, generic affidavits, and statements with no original contract, no signature, just smoke and mirrors. Let me be clear, that's deception. And unless you know how to fight back, you're likely to lose by default. Next comes the waste of your time and your hard-earned money. You could be building your future, paying for your kids' school, or investing in your business, but instead you're forced to defend yourself against a company you never borrowed a penny from. And if you ignore it, you risk garnish, bank account seizure, or even a levy on your home. All based on documents that wouldn't hold up in court, but it becomes legal because you don't do anything about it. And finally, abuse. Debt collectors are flooding our courts with millions of lawsuits. Judges can barely keep up. Some courts have thousands of debt collector cases per month. And 80% of those cases, they end up in default judgment because people don't know how to respond. That's right, I said 80%. That's not just, that's legal ambush. That's why I created summonsmaster.com, your secret weapon against fraud, waste, and abuse. Our system shows you exactly how to respond to debt collector lawsuits step by step. But guess what? It does all of the work for you. All you have to do is upload a PDF file of your document, and Summons Master AI will create your summons response. And it also has human oversight. So it's not just AI, it also has human oversight. Every one of your responses, whatever you put in there, will get reviewed by. So you don't have to hire an expensive attorney, which could cost you upwards of $2,500. You deserve to have the power at your fingertips. By just taking action right now, you can start fighting back against debt collector lawsuits. So if you've been sued, don't ignore it. If you got a letter from a debt collector, don't assume they don't have the right to collect. Go to summonsmaster.com. Let's fight back together. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and creator of summonsmaster.com.